Hello, guys. Welcome to yet another live stream. We are back. I know it has been a long time, but we are back finally with another live stream, guys. I hope you guys will be able to join. We are back, and we are looking at gold right now. Yep. We are definitely back, but I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope. M Shots Academy, how are you, bro? It has been long, but I hope you're fine. It has been long without a live stream, but we are going to look at gold today and what it has done. So I've not been on like today because the reality of being in Africa, electricity goes, right? Electricity goes off and you are left in darkness. So I only had my phone to look at the chat, but the opportunities were not too many. Guys, like the stream and also say hi. Hey, my guy, you are looking sharp and fresh as always. Igio, Igioma, how are you, man? Abuju, how are you doing? The live has just started, so make sure you like. Give me a like, guys. We are both live on YouTube and TikTok. That's what we are doing today. And we are going to look at gold, how it has moved, and what we hope for the week. Hello from Cambodia, Mr. Joseph. It's 12:12 a.m. here, so I won't be here for long. Need the sleep. That's right, bro. All the way from Cambodia. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate you for being here all the way from Cambodia. That is in South Asia. But let's be realistic. First, share live history of your account. Ivan, we don't do that here. Yeah. But shout out to everybody who is on the live stream. We appreciate you for being here today. We are going to look at gold. Actually, that is what we want to see. And we want to know how it could move, for the rest of the week. Hello, Mr. Katumba, watching you live from South Africa. David, how are you, David? Webale nyo for the knowledge. Now webale kubera, my brother. I appreciate you very much. We have someone from Lagos, Nigeria. Bro, you guys are showing a lot of love to the channel. So you're asking, what do I expect from gold this week? Okay, let us first do some analysis. What do we expect from gold this week for sure? Ashiro, long time, bro. Long time, man. It has been long. The other week, man, I'm going to explain as we go along the video, but man, things, when you're trading in Africa, things come up. You become busy. You get people visiting you. Yeah, like you become very busy because there is a lot of things to do. When I was, the other side, I would sit and it was me against my computer. But right now, I sit, I have to take trades. I have to like mentor students. I have to do my other projects on the side. Bro, things actually, I'm starting to realize that it is hard trading when you have other things to do. But we shall be here. Most people say so, but reality is things are different. Which people say what? I don't get what you mean, bro. Uh, Ashiro, man, I'm happy that you're here actually. Thanks to those that are liking the stream. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Selling after mitigation, fair value gap, and order block on 4-hour time frame. So, trying to analyze gold, right? Because that is what we are trying to do right now. If I reduce my chart, let me first take away some of these drawings that are making it. Some were valid, some are not. So, what do we expect from gold? This is the 15. Let me first go to the 1-day time frame. Okay. Man, today has not been very good. The candles today were not very good. Culture Fast, how are you doing, my brother? I hope you're good. But this on the 1 day time frame, this is a very critical level because what we are seeing right here, it could be like a rejection or just a correction. Because one of two things do happen, right? So this is on a daily. Of course, market dropped to this, then it came up, it corrected, and then it went back up. So on a bigger picture, someone can say on a daily time frame we are bearish, right? Do we agree? Let me ask you a political question. Is Forex halal? I'm not Muslim, so I don't know. But I think it is just trading. Culture Fast, I think it is just trading. This is why do you guys call it only Forex? There are us who trade futures. We have people who trade, crypto. There are people who are like, so ask me if trading is all, not just Forex, because Forex is the smaller bit of it. How are you doing, boss? Ebenezer, I'm all right, bro. How are you today? I'm actually very excited to come here. I'm really, really excited because it has been really, really long. It has been very, very long since I came live, and I missed you guys a lot. I missed people like Culture Fast, like Ebenezer. You guys guys like the stream, okay? Let us start on a good note. But on a daily, we can say we are bearish. Gold is dropping. Like we could take this as a correction. That's on a daily time frame, right? So if we go then to the 4 hour, let us see. Same thing is happening right now on the 4 hour time frame. Man, I pity guys that trade this out. It is very hard to trade 4 hours because you have to wait for a very long time. So hustle culture said it is political. It means it's not halal. Okay. What does halal mean? Okay, halal means something good, I guess. Please, I want to learn this. Can you help me? Yes, my number is right there. My number is on right there. So, of course, you send me a WhatsApp, then we can talk later. But I'm almost full, guys. I'm almost full. So, you can always, there are other mentors in the industry, and they are also very good. What's your review on GFT Prop Farm? Okay, let us talk about Got Funded. What is happening with Got Funded? Because it is not the first person who is coming to me. Well, because I promoted them actually. That's on me. But what is going on with Got Funded? Can anyone enlighten us in the comment section? Do I offer VIP services? I don't offer VIP services. I don't. First tell me what strategy do I use? Trend lines. I use trend lines. What about FTMO? FTMO is the best prop farm in the industry. Yeah, that is my opinion. It is the best prop farm in the industry. And good evening, bro. Good evening, Israel. How are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. But like, you have to come on the charts and do your analysis, guys, okay? Learn your strategy. I always come here and encourage you guys and tell you, Funding Pips just gave away 20K one instant accounts like yesterday. Bro, how am I missing these accounts? They should give me something, right? Melon, why didn't you let me know? I was late for like a few minutes and it was all out. Bro, actually someone called, someone told me today. What is his name? I'll check my phone. He called me, they were like, no, actually it was WhatsApp. He told me, Funding Pips, he told me, Funding Pips has given me a 1K instant account. I'm like, how did you get it? Right? He said, they just gave it to me. So for me, I didn't get that Funding Pips account. Congratulations to the people who were able to get it. And Ivan, this is modern betting. I know most of you will say that actually because you have no idea, right? I'm cool. I want to use your link to buy some challenges. Israel, thank you very much. Now I'll appreciate you a lot if you use my links in the bio. You know, they are not that serious, but they are okay links. You only trade gold on on Forex. Yes, I only trade gold on CFDs. I only trade gold on CFDs and I do live streams. We come here and talk about trading, about a lot of things, even life generally. Because there is a marathon coming up that you guys should go to. But for now, let us first talk trading because that is why most of you are here. But I hope you've had a good Monday and I hope your week has started well, guys. I hope your week has started well. Thank you for those that are liking the stream and thank you for those that are following. So this is gold and I had turned it to the 4-hour time frame. Of course, this looked good on the 4-hour for a buy because of, you know, this support level. It looked good, you know, and now people could be in profits, right? Joe Elvis has just joined now. I'll give confirmed signals there, bruh. Can you help pass my account of 50K? Which prop firm did you buy the account in? If you're running in losses, just, okay. People, guys, don't promote your stuff here. Just be cool, okay? How much capital to start trading? I'm a high schooler. You don't have to have any capital. You can start with zero. You can start with zero and learn the skill. If you don't have money, learn the skill first before you jump into Funding Pips. Oh, you're in Funding Pips. Is it in a drawdown or it is on break even? Or you're in profits? Actually, someone with a 50K prop farm account and they get funded, bro, that person. One time I'll bring you another trader here who is in my Telegram groups. He's a doctor and he's trading. And he has 50K accounts. Bro, the guy is balling. I'm like, you're even balling better than I am. I'm like, damn, bro. Congratulations to you. Indomie, how are you? How can I learn the skills? By practicing a lot, bro. You have to first go to YouTube. It will help to get a mentor, but you have to go to YouTube. You have to start slowly, and then you learn the skill. When did I start trading? I think it was 2020 at the end. 2020 at the end, something like that. I've just bought 25K. I'm so far up to $60. Congratulations, bro. Make sure you take it to, how much are you supposed to make on a 25K? Andrew, how are you today? Man, actually, Andrew, I wanted to send you a message that, have you seen anything on NASDAQ or US 30 to share ideas with me? But I forgot during the time. Does God funded prop farm payout? Yeah, it does. On 25K, you have to make 7K. No, that's not true. I think on a 5K, wait, on 100K, you have to make 8K. On a 5K, you have to make like, on a 50K, you have to make like 4K. I think that's how it goes. Wishing everyone a prosperous trading week ahead. Let's get this money. That's right. Today I've not had any setups actually. 25K you have to make, yeah, 1,500. That's right, true. Thank you, Vision Edge. Now these people, trade isn't, man, these people, I have now to mute them for the rest of the live stream. Okay, I need some moderators who can become a moderator so that they can block and mute these people who are promoting their stuff. Jay, don't just come and be like me, nah. But now look at Ivan. Ivan was saying, like trading is what is not real, yet it is real, guys. Be serious. I'm thinking of got funded for the inexpensive challenges, but what's the spread on gold, Mr. Cash? The spread for gold on got funded, I don't know what their spread is actually. I've not traded. I've traded them before, but I don't remember. Vision Edge. Okay, let me make Vision Edge because Andrew doesn't want anyway. Let me make Vision Edge. Where do they make them from? Mute, block, report. Where do I make a moderator from? I don't see. Ah, I see it. Add moderator. Okay. You can mute accounts, comment, block accounts, pin comments, confirm. Okay, my friend, you Vision Edge, you're a moderator, you're a moderator on this live stream. So, people want to try out prop farms. Guys, if you don't have enough money, go for a cheaper one. Maybe God funded, it is cheap. But some people are saying, some people are complaining about God funded. I haven't yet seen the complaints actually. We don't have to trade every day, guys. Andrew is telling you we do not have to trade every day. If a setup doesn't appear, you don't trade it. So I was still analyzing gold. That was the 4 hour. Then this is the 1 hour time frame. Trump is going to speak today at 11:30. Bro, we shall be sleeping at that time. He can say whatever he wants to say. Oh, it's with 200 USD profit since I haven't been trading for a while. Ah, bro, that is good. Actually, the problem with if I trade it for you, when you get to a payout, they'll deny you the payout. That is the problem. Yeah, if I trade for you your 50K, the prop firm will deny you the payout because now that account has been opened on different, IP addresses. Maybe you're in South Africa and I trade it here, and then you look at it, you withdraw from. So that is why prop firms refuse to pay some people. Okay. What are the best currency pairs for trading for a beginner? GBP USD, bro. Those currency pairs are good. GBP USD, you look through the currency pairs and see what works best for you, right? For me, I would encourage someone to go for GBP USD. So that is what would be good for a beginner. Maybe USD JPY, all those ones are good. USD CAD, but you have to put in time and effort to look at the charts, okay? Yeah. That is the advice I can give someone starting. Do not start with gold. It is too much, Your head will pain and you'll say, ah, man, this trading is not for me. But start with Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, NZ USD, all those ones. What's your say about prop firms? Prop firms are good. They are okay. You can trade them and be successful with them. I have been successful with prop firms. I've seen people be successful with prop firms that I know, right? Yeah, but that is it. So architecture design in Kenya. Don't give anyone to trade for you because they'll deny you the payout, okay? Yep, that is it. So about that case, if I have a client and gives me logins of the prop and also has into his device too, yes, they'll deny you the payouts. That is one thing prop firms do. They want you to trade the account for yourself, right? Like, for example, you could buy the account here, then someone is trading it in Kenya, another one is trading it in Tanzania, and they'll definitely ban you. They'll wait for you to trade, and then you reach a payout stage, they will tell you you broke this rule. and it gets frustrating. That is why you see a lot of people complaining about prop farms or on X online. You see a lot of people complaining. So take that from me, guys. If you are going to trade a prop farm account, trade it for yourself and pass it. Another thing that I want to warn you about prop farms is if you are using VPN, right? You could put VPN on your phone. It shows, oh, I'm in the UK. These unpaid VPNs. You put it on and it shows you're in the UK. Then you take a trade. Then a prop firm will come and tell you the IP address that is trading for you. We don't understand it, right? So I came on here to look for trades, but man, you guys are asking very nice questions, which are very interesting to answer. Let's trade with caution. Andrew, man, you're giving people advice. What is the best amount to trade prop firms? Okay, the best amount is the amount you can afford. The best amount is the amount you can afford. If you can afford a 5K, but 5Ks are tough to trade. 10K, 25, 50. With a 50K account, trust me, you're sorted for a very long time. If you're funded a 50K and you get payouts, you're good. That's not a red folder, high impact news. Yeah. I think Trump could be speaking, but they are not high impact. So prop firms will even let you trade. Guys, ask me any questions. I'm willing to answer to them in a very good spirit. I'm in a good mood to answer questions about trading prop firms, about, just talking and chatting. But I hope you guys have had a good Monday so far. I'm also good, actually. Do I take trades live here every day? Bro, me, the way I trade, sometimes I wait for trades like for days. Like here, I could get a trade or not. But in most cases, I'll just be forcing. Because for me to take a trade, I have to wait and then do what? And see a very good setup. Check the Forest Factory News website. That's where we find all the economic events. I know. I always check Forex Factory. But sometimes I feel lazy. God funded rules, yeah. We shall get a day for rules because there are many and some are hidden, which most of you fall for. Are bots better for enhancing your trades? No, they are not. Because just the way you lose, bots can also lose your money. And it will be a lot. So it is better to do what? To trade for yourself, guys. And if you have extra money to spend, you can put in a bot. But if you don't have any money, bro, just trade for yourself and learn the skill. Let's go. How was your weekend? Tell us how you prepare for the new trading week. Bro, actually this weekend I was busy, bro. This weekend I was busy. But guys, look at my t-shirt. This thing is for a charity run. We are going to run for charity. I've shared it on my status on TikTok. You should go ahead and check it out. How long have you been in the market, sir? Since 2020 at the end, around 2021. Unstable internet connection. What is going on, bro? Okay, I think it is better now. Let me see. People should sell, I think, but I don't know. I've not seen confirmation. You take an instant challenge over two-step. One, please. I would take a two-step any day, bro. I would definitely take a two-step. It takes longer, but it gives freedom. One step you trade and either fail it, but a two-step, it is good. I would prefer a two-step challenge because the instant and one phase have very strict rules. That is very true. Like when these prop firms make one step, like they tell you you're going to be instant funded, there is a catch to that. That is what most people do. Like when I get students, they always tell me, why do I need to suffer through those challenges, right? I could just pay and I'm instantly funded. Bro, they don't know the whole story. They don't know the whole story of that, man. Can you please check the 4 hour? We just checked the 4 hour Vision Edge, bro. Vision Edge, you know your role as an admin of this live stream to mute people who are marketing their stuff, right? To mute people who are marketing their stuff, those who are spamming, those who are using bad language. You get a point, my friend? I hope you understand. But we are here, guys. We are here for Monday. We are looking at gold, but man, of course, for me, my setup hasn't yet showed up. You will block. Nga, you are very tough, my friend. Don't be very tough. Be nice. Bro, this gold today. I don't know if any one of you is seeing anything. Has anyone seen anything on gold? This is 15. It's not the 4 hour, it is the 15 minutes. Some people deserve that very blocking. Are you sure? No one deserves to be blocked. They are just misled. Forgive them. Some people are just misled. Bro, gold today, man. I've not seen anything. Okay, Vision Edge. Let us check 4 hour. You tell us what you see. But for me, I'm not seeing. I'm seeing nothing. I would take a sell, but bro. This is your 4 hour. Vision Edge. What do you see? We are waiting for you, my friend. Tell us. Rutalemwa James, how are you, bro? And Wisdom is also here. There are some days in the market. There are some days when setups don't appear regularly, and you have to be patient and wait. That is very true. I agree with you 100%. Vision Edge analyze for us. Seems you have enough vision to see the future. I don't know. He has even disappeared. Probably he didn't have anything to say. He just wanted to look at the 4 hour through my screen. Right, Vision Edge? Not set up until the red candle closes on 15 minutes chart, but it's a buy. Vision Edge sees a buy. Okay, bro. Show you the chart. I can't show you the chart. This YouTube thing doesn't let me show you the chart. YouTube doesn't let me show you the chart, but TikTok does. So, sir, are bots better for... Bro, this guy is asking the same question. Johnny Cruz, why are you spamming? Why are you spamming chat? I even answered the question. I didn't know it was just a spam. But AI is the future, guys. If you can use AI to do anything, you should. Like artificial intelligence is the future. John Cruz, I already answered you. If you have a lot of money, you can use bots. It's okay that you are willing to lose. But if you don't have extra money to waste, stick to learning the skill and becoming better. Mm. Vision Edge is telling you should not buy one, build it yourself. That's right. I have some of my own, but they are not out there for everybody. Am I the only one who is left behind? Seems everyone is now investing in bots and AI for trading. Now, actually, Andrew, you're not left behind. But the thing is, AI is real and it is there. Artificial intelligence is something. Your life contains themes that some find and has been restricted. Why am I being restricted? Because I'm talking about trading? Come on. My views, I'm seeing sales at 4,520. Good for you, bro. Then bulls from that area targeting liquidity. Okay. Good for you, Flozy. Probably that is good. Guys, the live stream has been restricted. It's the glass I'm holding. Yeah. This is a nice glass. I'm taking some water. Because talking to you guys here, it dries up my throat. Oh, they are saying I stop drinking in the live. Well, it is water. I'm even advertising Renzori. Guys, make sure you buy Renzori water. Ah, the glass, eh? Okay, let me stop. I've stopped. Let TikTok leave my live stream alone, guys. Ah, they think I'm. But now, if I'm speaking too much, right? My throat is dry. My throat gets dry, people. Consuming substances featured in this live could harm me. Bro, what the heck is this? That's not fair. I'm actually reading it. I'm reading it right now. So what should we do? Should we restart the live stream and not drink any water? Miscellany, there is no blockade anymore. There is no blockade anymore, my friend. We stopped playing blockade. They think this water, bro, TikTok, it is just water, please. So if I want to drink water, I do like this, eh? My goodness. Man. I didn't know. They think it is UG. Guys, I don't take UG. Come on. Okay, I think we should restart the live stream because now this thing is not going away. Let us restart the live stream. Those who can be able to come back will come back, but there is no way. Guys, it is really sorry. The company should come and defend me, you know. It's Renzori mineral water. Let me just restart this live stream so that this thing goes away. Why are you wearing a bib? It's a charity run that we have very soon. What is that? Oh, let me go live again on TikTok. We are back. We are back with another live stream, guys. I hope you're good. Sorry for the people on YouTube. That is TikTok. Because I was taking some water because I was talking too much, and so they had to make me redo the stream, bro. Thanks for those that are coming back in. John Mungai, how are you, man? I hope you're doing good. Oh, God. I will give confirmed. Oh, man. Who is back? What prop firms am I currently using? I'm using Funding Pips and FTMO. That's what I'm using. Let's talk about GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame. It is my best pair. GBP USD is your best. We are going to look at it actually, because I used to trade it long time ago. I used to trade some GBP USD back then, but now I don't. Guys, our people are not coming back. What happened? Where are our people? Well, let me go to GBP. Where is it? It is somewhere here. Oh, this is the 4-hour. Look at that, man. Look at this move. Oof, oof. Why did it? So BYZ, what do you think? This is the 4-hour time frame. What do you think, BYZ? Let us know. Because for me, what I think, of course, it's reacted long time ago from this level, and it dropped here. Then what really made it? Was this level important? Yeah, it was actually. It was an important level. You see, this level was important before, because if you go back to this side, price reacted here and also here. So it is a zone, it is not just a straight line, but it is clear that price really reacted from it. And hi Joseph, have you traded gold today? I've been on the chart, but I didn't get any setup, my brother. Oh no, my sister Caroline. Caroline, I've been on the chart, but have not got a setup. We can't see your chart. Yeah, I know. If you want to see the chart, it's on TikTok. The chart is on TikTok because YouTube can't let me show the chart because I'm using the phone for YouTube, right? Hello, how are you doing today? And want to learn? You want to learn trading? Smile Foundation Uganda. Shout out to you. Shout out to Smile Foundation Uganda. But we are back. Excusez-moi. But this is GBP USD actually on the 4 hour. BYZ is not telling us what they see. Guys, thank you very much for liking. I appreciate you. And I'll appreciate those that are liking the stream. We are back. We were here before, but we decided to make another one because, of course, apparently we can't, You traded it in the morning around 8. Did you take a sell? Got some good moves. That is good for you, man. The move was huge actually since morning. It was a huge move, but shout out to you for trading it well. Me, I don't trade GBP USD, but I look at it a lot actually. It's quite a good pair. It is a good pair to look at. These candles were big. What time was this? I think London session. They happened in the London session, guys. It just filled the imbalance and it did not tap your order block. Okay. Ashiro has done analysis for us. This is GBP USD, bro. Of course, here you cannot take a trade where it is right now because it is a critical level and you don't know what is going to happen next and it is not showing any signs. Like Ashiro said, for him it hasn't tapped into his order blocks, right? There is a clear buy on Euro GBP. Bro, Euro GBP. Man, I wonder people who live stream, like, is this what you tell them? Check out this one. Why isn't my thing? Euro. No, wait. Euro GBP. Let me check on Owanda. So you said there is a clear buy on Euro GBP. Are you sure about this? This is the 4 hour. Let us look at the 1 hour and see. Someone claims this is a clear buy, but is it really? Of course, it has shown a huge rejection, This candle is sort of a rejection for this 1 hour. So it would be wise to wait for this candle to close to do that confirmation. That is the 1 hour time frame. But if you're in the 15, I wouldn't buy yet. Jane, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for that. Where am I? You guys. This is Euro GBP. Wait for inducement and liquidity. They should wait. But man, currency pairs, me, I don't trade them actually. But they are always fun to look at. They are fun to look at. But of course, if your strategy tells you that this is a buy, you should go ahead and buy. But that is Euro GBP for you. So let me actually look at US oil. Okay, it is in 103. What's triggered this? Oh, look at this gap. Probably for the weekend. This one. This is the 15-minute. Why is there a gap here? This is Thursday. My goodness. Oh, Thursday to Friday. Okay. So this was the weekend, right? The weekend gap. The wait for inducement and liquidity sweep. You trade crypto or BTC? I look at BTC actually. I look at it, but I don't trade it. Which prop firm do you trust? FTMO. If you're to trust anything, trust FTMO, man. Even others are good, like Funded Next, Funding Pips. They are all good prop firms. But you asked a specific question. Damn. It is always nice looking at these pairs. Now, like this is gold, of course. Let me see. S&P 500. It rejected off this level. Okay, I drew this trend line. Okay, yeah. Ooh. This is S&P 500. So is Andrew back in the chat? I wanted to ask him about S&P 500. Is it also still, is this a correction or it changed, direction? Who trades S&P 500 in the chat? Does anyone trade S&P 500? Can you teach me just a reminder? I can teach you, but I'm busy, bro. I'm really, really busy. Which prop firm do you, okay, I answered that. This is S&P 500. Was this a good entry? I don't know. It is at a very critical stage, this S&P thing. Okay, you can wait when I'm free. Gilbert Sempija, how are you, man? What do you mean you want me to teach you? But you can learn yourself if you can't afford me. For me, I charge $100 for people to learn. I have beginners, I have experts, intermediate. So that is me. But you don't even need to look for a mentor. You can teach yourself, but that is going to take very long. Probably sometimes it even takes you like 5 years without becoming profitable. Because there is a difference. You can learn how to trade. You trade, but you're not profitable. Then there is also a difference where you learn how to trade and then become profitable. Both of those things are quite different. Okay? They are all very different. Why not Funding Pips? Funding Pips is also okay. It's an okay prop firm. Just that I've never got a payout from Funding Pips, never. And I saw someone struggling how to do what? They were struggling how to, like, KYC verification. Man, KYC is hard. I don't know why. Any honest broker? What do you mean by broker? You mean a broker? Does God Funded give payouts? It has ever given me one payout. And those videos are on YouTube there. Yes, me, I got a God Funded account. It was a 50K. I traded it. I struggled actually to get a payout from that account, but I managed to. Bro, do indicators work? Somehow, but not for trading. Like, you have to use them as confirmation. I always say it on this channel. If you're doing indicators, just do your analysis first, then use it as a confirmation, something else to give you another view. But if you go like, I got an indicator, I'm entering here, bro, you're going to find it very difficult, okay? So just relax and do what? Trade better. Ashiro, how are you? Ashiro, have you ever got a payout from any prop farm? Hassan, you're welcome, my friend. They confuse. You don't advise anyone to use indicators. That's true. Indicators can confuse you if you're not. That is why I'm telling you guys, you first have to do your analysis. Otherwise, if you don't do your analysis, you are at a disadvantage. You are at a very big disadvantage. But if you do your analysis, that means the other thing is just what? Another confirmation for you, not something that is very serious, okay? Hi, JB, how are you doing? Ab Abdulatif, Abdulatif, hi, please, I'm nowhere to be found in Forex. I don't know how to operate it. Abdulatif, you can learn. Everything is learned. You can learn how to become good at trading. Believe in yourself, okay? Actually, I haven't gotten any prop farm, Mr. Joseph. But I want to try God funded. It is very cheap. You can try it, you know. If you lose it, at least you have learned along the way. But if you win, you become very successful. Prop farm all your own capital. Do both. Both is the safest bet. The percenters all funded next. I think funded next is what I'm familiar with. I would choose funded next over the 5%ers. Yes, sir. I would actually choose funded next. But that doesn't mean 5%ers is bad, no? 5%ers is also a good prop farm. I've just not used it. I've not like had the zeal. Bro, now I really want to drink water, but if I drink my water, this live stream is going to think otherwise. So do you know how to drink water, guys, when you're on live stream? Do a review on Hantech Markets Prop Farm. I've actually had that, but I've not like really done a review about it. But what are prop farm traders? You don't know what prop farms are, bro. What are you doing? I have to drink water like this, guys, because I'm bro. This is insane, man. Because I talk too much. And I have a bottle of Renzori water. Now I have to do like this. This is crazy, man. Because before I was here on this live stream, drinking my water well, and then TikTok told me that this guy could be could be harming himself. What the heck was that even? I was just drinking water. Andrew, what did you miss? You missed me drinking water like this. Yeah, they assume I'm taking. Okay, I see. Now I've learned so that next time I come, it will be that side. And if I forget, you guys should remind me. My goodness. We were actually, Andrew, I was looking for you. I was looking for you because I was looking at S&P 500, right? And I was looking for your idea about it. So, of course, we were doing live streams, right? Before, and S&P 500 was moving and making new all-time highs, right? But since this day, which day was that? Thursday last week, it has been dropping. So we were asking, could it be a correction for continuation, or it changed, direction. So what is your take on it? Andrew, the floor is yours, my friend. Ah, even young kids, you don't show them here. Okay, I didn't know that. That is crazy, man. TikTok is insane. But we shouldn't say bad things about it because it is the app we are on right now. And of course, YouTube. I'm also live on YouTube, guys. So make sure you look for my channel. S&P 500, US 30, and NASDAQ have been chasing new all-time highs. That is true. Now, after chasing all-time highs, what are they doing now? Seems to me like a retracement. Okay. It could be actually. It could be a retracement. Actually, this started happening after Trump, meeting in China on S&P, US 30, and NASDAQ. All this started happening to continue another all-time high. Guys, have you heard? So if we see any other confirmation of, US 30, S&P 500, NASDAQ, we should be ready to make the money, okay? Yeah. But for here, I think this zone is a bit dangerous to make a decision. That is why I was analyzing it with someone, with a student, and I drew these lines, and price is respecting them a little bit. So that is it, man. Yep. Andrew, how is your sister? Is she going back to school very soon? The one I see on your status. Someone sees double bottom, man. Ashiro, your double bottoms are too many that you see, man. You should not see all the double bottoms. There are too many, but I don't see any double bottom yet for me. Ever since Trump went to meet the Chinese president, the stock indices have been dropping. That's true. I also observed that actually. Because I remember that time when Trump went and we talked about it on the live stream. Okay? Yep. Your sister is going back to school this weekend. She's a candidate. Oh, shout out to her, right? I hope she will be able to pass UNEB. Bro, UNEB was tough, eh? Every time people were going to do UNEB, man, you feel like but we even have traders. Actually, Andrew, in the VAC, you should teach your sister how to trade. And you should buy her prop farms in vacation. Teach them how to trade. Those you guys should teach your siblings how to trade. Those that are young. Make sure you teach them how to trade. You'll thank me later. I think that drop on indices is to give other investors, traders, an opportunity to long-term buys too. Okay. We should be ready when they give buys. I think it will be nice. Because it has respected that zone, actually. So we should be on the chart when they decide to buy it and be ready to take advantage of the buys. But man, gold is, man, today gold. Magneto, how are you doing, my friend? I hope you're doing good today. We are back with another live stream and we're enjoying. But I hope you guys have had a good Monday. I know last week we did only one live stream because it was such a busy week, man. Last week was such a busy week. Good evening, my champion. Who is your champion? Elite Fashion Chikumba. Who is your champion, man? Magneto is new here. You're welcome to the live stream, my friend. We are always here from 8 to something like 10. Because remember, Trump went to discuss matters concerning technology, agriculture, and other developments. That's true. That is why he took all those billionaires, Elon Musk, the Apple CEO, other, the, how is this thing called? Nvidia CEO, right? Yeah, it should be positive, but the way the markets are reacting, we don't know what is happening. You remember even when that war started, in Iran, most of the traders thought, gold was going to buy actually, because the war was happening and people we assumed people are going to put money into gold, which would increase its prices. But bro, the way gold dropped when that war started, man, it has been very bad. But I wanted to start trading. Yeah, you can start, you can get me as a mentor and I'll help you. It's going to pump the stock markets up. Actually, how are stocks doing? Probably they were dropping too. Let me see if I have stocks here. I have the Apple stock. Okay, the Apple stock is not bad. For them, they are moving. Right now, it is at 290. It was at 300. Bro, I really want to trade these stocks. The Tesla stock dropped, the Tesla, and then the Netflix. Netflix also dropped all the way from this side. Those are stocks for you. Remember, the markets don't just move in one direction. Straight up, there is always retracements. That's true. Amoge, you're a very knowledgeable guy. You're very wise, man. Then the trend continues. Aluta continue. But shout out to everybody that is on this live stream. I appreciate you for being live and trading better. I hope this week, man, I really want this week people to begin making profits in the market. That is what I'm praying for, guys. I want you to be successful. I want you to be very successful in these markets. That is what I pray for people who watch these live streams, man. Because why not become very successful? Elite Fashions, thank you. Amen. May God help us. May God help all of us, because we are trying to make life better. No one here is making money to go and and be a bad person. We are trying to make money to be good people and even support others. So God should help all of you here. Hello, dear mom of 3 boys. How are you? How are you doing today? How is your Monday? I hope you're having a good Monday. Man, how can I learn and I become pro? By starting slowly. You can start by watching a YouTube video. You learn what MetaTrader 5 does. You learn what TradingView does. Then after that, you do what? Maybe you get someone to help you, like a mentor who is already a pro, or you just take it slow. That's true. It's a good feeling to see our fellow traders making money. That is true. Because people I want to make it in trading, they are Africans. Because someone with money in Africa, they can really be they can cause change. They can do very big changes. Because with one payout, you can pay tuition fees for like a number of kids, right? So yeah, you get what I'm saying. we really want to make money. Life in this country is not easy unless you have a money making skill. That is true, because jobs are not there. Jobs are not there. So you have to make this thing work, guys. You have to. 100% you have to. Njagala kumanya agency ya Bamako to Kampala. I don't know any agency. Me, I just make those videos for vibes, okay? Rogers, I'm good. How are you, Sebo? Bwana Katumba, how are you? I'm good, Rogers. Which Rogers is this? Because there is a Rogers, I know. Oh, okay, there is a Rogers, I know, but I'm good. I'm also fine. If you're running in loss, okay, this guy now. How is God funded trader? It's a prop farm, I think. It's a prop farm. But it is okay, guys. Those that are asking about God funded, it is an okay prop farm. It is all right. You ask Amuge. Amuge knows that God funded is all right. Rogers, how are you and where are you nowadays? You're in Kampala. Bro, man, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, this one was all right, but man, taking this here. But it could drop. It could continue dropping. Funding pips. Funding pips is good, actually. Rogers is in Chibuli. Shout out to people in Chibuli. Yeah. I think all prop farms are good. You just need to choose the right one that favors your trading style. 100%, right? Most prop farms are okay. They won't deny you unless you break their rule. The 5%ers is actually nice. It is a very good prop farm. People are making money with all prop farms, so it's possible. Apart from the ones like they are like for me, I could make my own prop farm. So if I'm like I come here trade my prop farm, then you can say, ah man, this guy. You can say this guy is sketchy, but I think most prop farms are good. If you go to that list, if you go to the list of prop farms, you see FTMO, very good prop farms. It still gets slandered online. Then you go funded next, good prop farm, but they slander it online. Then you go funding pips, good prop farm, but they slander it online. Then you go 5%ers, good prop farm, but they slander it online. Then you go Alpha Capital, good prop farm, but they slander it online. Then you go, which one is there? Got funded, but they slander it online. Then you go Aqua funded, there is also Aqua funded, but they slander it online. Then you go Hola Prime, but they slander it online. All these are prop farms I'm mentioning, guys, okay? Which other prop farm is there? Then you go Marvin Trading, but they slander it online. Then you go Equity Edge, but they slander it online. Then you go, which other prop farm is there, bro? All these are mentioned. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the 11th? Let me think of a prop farm that I've not mentioned. Which one have I not mentioned? Guys, tell me some prop farm names that I've not mentioned. I know only 10 prop farms. I should be knowing more. 8 Cap. 8 Cap is also a prop farm. Blueberry funded. Number 12, Blueberry funded. Number 13, Bro, I know a lot of prop farms actually. Andrew, which one is your prop farm that I'm forgetting? Where are the comments? People, what happened? Maybe no more comments, I guess. But thank you guys. Funding Pips top one. I think FTMO is the first one. Does prop farms give you limited time for trading, or you can take a year when you still trading it? Yes, for prop farms, you can take even 5 years trading the account, as long as each month you have a trade, because the account might be blocked if you don't trade in a month. But if you at least take a trade, right, each month, you can have the account for a lifetime. Okay? That's how it goes. That is how it goes, my people. Guys, look at the charity marathon. This is coming up very soon. On the, when is it? Third edition, 2026. It is on my status. Rogers is planning on buying a prop farm challenge. Congratulations, bro. Go ahead and buy. But make sure you read the rules first, because if you fail it, that won't be good. Anto just joined. How is funding Pips? It is good. It is okay, but bro, getting good trades, because getting trades is becoming tough now. Because look at this one. Man, I was so sure about this trade, but it was also loss. My stop loss should have been like somewhere here. Okay. But funding Pips is all right. Thank you for those that are following the creator. I'm on 100K challenge, second step, but the market is too weird these days. Bro, if you pass that 100K, actually you should, bro, you should make sure you pass it, because that 100K will be very, very good for you. But God funded have a 3K cap, even if you have a 100K account. I think it is not 3K. I think for 50K it is 3K, then 100K it is 6K. It is like 3%. It is a percentage cap for the first payout. Yes, that is something hidden actually that God funded have. The market is as bad as the Ugandan internet. But they brought for you thingy, they brought for you this Elon Musk Starlink. It is for 10 million. They brought for you Starlink for 10 million. Wow. Ah. So does God funded pay? Yes, they pay. I actually worked for God funded some time back, but they do pay. Is Alpha Capital good? I think so. I've not traded Alpha Capital actually, but I see them a lot. I see Alpha Capital a lot of times. Starlink is slow for Meta quotes. Are you sure? Come on, Charles. Don't make accusations. Don't make allegations. Starlink is great, very powerful internet, but very expensive. Will Ugandans even afford it? I don't know. I don't know if Ugandans, you Ugandans, will you afford Starlink? You tell us in the comments. You tell us in the comments if you'll afford Starlink. But me, I don't know if you Ugandans will afford it. I saw a video someone saying the installation, buying the stuff is like 1.5. Then monthly payment is like 190 to 350. Probably the subscription could be like $100, but they could have like $80 packages. It is all in Roma. Is the internet free after buying the router? Of course not. You subscribe and you pay monthly. Ugandans want good things but don't want to pay a high price for it. Ugandans like cheap things. Andrew, don't make us. We don't like cheap things. We just don't have money, okay? We just don't have money. Is FTMO good? Bro, you can't even ask that. FTMO is very good. I think FTMO is very, very good. Andrew is abusing us. Like you're saying us, we want cheap things. We want expensive. We also want to put on Louis Vuitton. Eh? There is this brand which is expensive. Laura Piana. Ah man, people put on expensive things. I went to Lara Piana. Man, a shoe is like 15 million Ugandan shillings. Someone is wearing a Subaru on his feet. Come on, bro. Man. For us, we want to put on night heel that is made from ginger. Actually, night heel was pretty good. When I was still young, we went to night heel. We went to night heel for the trip, for the school trip, because we went to ginger. We went to ginger, and night heel was one of them. We also went to TikTok, that bread that is called Tip Top bread. Bro, that bread used to be so good. Man, we are just here talking instead of me looking for setups. But that is how trading is. You have to wait, man. Because if you don't wait, gold is like still dropping. I was also carried there in 2010. Are you sure? But what I realize is that once you start making enough money in thousands of dollars, you'll afford almost anything. Bruh, man. You can afford, but some people lose themselves. Because now, like maybe Rogers will buy a prop farm challenge and make a payout, and then he make a payout of 500, and he will run to Nakawa. He will run to the car bond after making a 500 payout. Guys, I had forgotten. I had forgotten TikTok was watching. Man. Guys, I hope TikTok has not seen me actually. Man, these live streams are really difficult. Now I have to hide myself to drink water. As I was drinking, I remembered. I'm like, oh my goodness. But thank you guys for being on this live stream. Actually, we are seriously. Hi, I would like to join Forex trading. Can you please help me start? Yes, I'll help you. Thank you for sending me a message. I'll try to respond to you when I'm done with live streaming. Hello, Joseph. The new video you dropped today was so helpful and spits facts. Our daily routines and activities seriously impact our mindset. in the chats. That's a lot. Bakunzi, thank you very much. Elisha, thank you for appreciating the video. Actually, those videos are very important for you guys. I make them for you because I went through the same thing. Is there a minimum payout on funded accounts? No, there is not supposed to be, but God funded has that. The first payout doesn't have to be more than 3%, I think, for God funded. Do I teach and how much? I charge $100 to mentor people, to teach people. I charge $100. But it will also depend on whether you are a beginner, whether you know what you're doing, you have a strategy. Yeah, you send me a message, you send me a WhatsApp, then we can talk. But I have a bunch of students already that I'm meeting every day. Some are in the UK, others are in Tanzania, others are in Uganda, others are in Qatar. You know, Qatar. Yes, but I think the solution is for you to get a blue water bottle so that you can drink water in peace. Ah, are you sure? Like that one, they let you drink, the water. I'll do that because maybe I need a cup. Because another time I've ever had a cup and I was drinking tea, and they let me enjoy the live stream. But now, now it is very difficult, bro. Guys, make sure you go and watch those YouTube videos I make. They are very, very important, and they can help you in your trading journey. Actually, they can help you trade better, become a better trader, and be like, you know, some of the good traders that you admire, that you look up to, so that you don't expose the water to TikTok. I'll try and do that. I actually have a bottle, but I didn't think about it. Thanks for always sharing educative content with us. We really appreciate. Bro, actually, I appreciate you guys better because you guys are like my friends, right? You guys are like my very good friends, and trading sometimes can be very, very lonely. It can get lonely, right? You feel like, oh my God, no one understands you. You can't talk to anyone. So even me, when I'm here, I'm relieving stress. What concept do you trade? I trade trend lines. Where are you from? I'm from Mother Earth. From Wakanda. I'm from Wakanda. Okay, my friends, thank you very much for being here. We appreciate the people that always come to the live streams. We appreciate you very, very much. But we are here looking at gold, actually. The way it is trading, it hasn't given us an entry or a setup. But what I see, probably it is going to drop at the moment. That is my bias, but not drop like too much because we've seen the way it has moved the whole day. So it is best to wait. If you're from Wakanda, did you feature in the Black Panther movie? I was part of the extras, actually. I was among the extras in the Black Panther. If you guys go and watch the movie, you'll see me. That is why I'm famous. Ah, that is why I have all this following. If you go to my page, you'll see my following on TikTok and YouTube. I'm very famous, guys. So trading can hit your SL and you go into depression. But you have to find a way to relieve the stress. I think it is not depression, right? When you hit SL, you don't get into deep. You feel sad, but you don't get into depression. Okay. You guys can amuse me. I lose money today. You lost money today. Sorry, my friend. I hope you didn't lose too much. Like, make sure you didn't blow the account, okay? It's okay to lose as long as you have calculated it well. Too much consolidation in today's markets, I think, because it's Monday. And also there is no red folders. That is true, man. The consolidation has been too much. I was on the chart and I even got tired. That is why you see I'm very tired today. Yep, but that is mainly it, guys. The thing has not moved too much. Gold, I'm talking about gold. But I saw GBP USD, bro. Can you imagine all this movement? This is GBP USD. All this movement in GBP USD. Oh, this is Friday. Ah, this is Monday. Okay. It has been buys. Damn. Mondays for GBP USD have been buys. We should actually live stream more. Did I make money today? No, bro. I did not. I didn't make money today. And I also didn't lose money today. So I'm just I just didn't work. It is Andrew who made the money. Thanks to the people that are sending me WhatsApps. I'll respond to you. I'm actually a very nice guy. I try to respond to everybody that sends me messages. Right? Right, keep doing like this because of the beards, right? But I need to shave. I need a clean shave. But I hope you guys are doing all right. On a serious note, guys, if you are not doing okay, at least reach out to people, even to me. I might not be able to help you financially, but when we talk, there is always a difference. Okay? Reach out. Seek help. Because trading can be hard. Most of us, we are here making fun, but sometimes trading can be hard for people. And when they face challenges, some like borrow money to trade, it is very tough. It is tight. Gold is sell over all. What do you think? Is the sell over? Maybe not yet. It could get here. I don't know. We don't know, but we are waiting. Because it has on the 15-minute, it has printed all these candles which are red. It could continue down or because it has made a lower high. So you never know what's coming. You just have to wait for your strategy to confirm. I actually didn't trade today. The setup did not meet my confirmation, so I remained patient. That is the best thing to do, man. The best thing, if you don't see a trade, wait. Do not force it, because you can force a buy here and then it will hit a red candle down here and then you'll start crying. So if you don't see a trade, you wait. You wait and wait until you see one. I've actually not made a YouTube video in a long time, man. I need to make a video, maybe today or tomorrow. I should have made one today, but I didn't. I'm already in sale on the BB and 50 of red candle. So good for you, bro. If you're in a sale, it could happen. You never know. People feel is to make money, is to learn and get money. Yeah, I'm trying to understand what you're saying by that, but I agree with you, bro. Guys, also remember to like the stream. Actually, make sure you like our stream because we are nice guy, okay? And that is how you can support the stream, by doing what? By liking, and of course chatting in the comment section. I think today's questions are exhausted. Monday, people don't have too many questions. It is on Friday after people have traded for the whole week. Monday is more relaxing, right? But thank you very much, guys, for always showing up on our live streams. We shall always come live, no matter what. We shall make sure we come live and, trade better. Hello, good evening. Good evening. How are you? Those I'm reading also WhatsApp messages. 973, which country is that? That could be Qatar. No, 973. Country code 973. Country code. Bahrain. Oh, the number is from Bahrain. Shout out to the people in Bahrain. Okay, we appreciate you guys. We are not going to be here for too long, but we are still here a little bit. If you have a question, Andrew, what should we talk about? Andrew, this live stream is depending on you. So if you don't comment, ask me any question. Shout out to the people from Uganda also. Andrew, man, I want a dog from your neighbor. How much do they sell them actually? Andrew, how much does your neighbor sell those dogs that you always put on, that you one time put on the status? But definitely, shout out to the people from Uganda. And people from Uganda, I'm actually advertising this marathon. It's going to be in Bovuma Island. So 65K each dog. Okay, I see. Because what you guys don't know about me, let me tell you what you don't know about me. I do charity. I'm a person who does charity. And me and my friend have an organization called Tokens of Life Uganda. You can search it up on TikTok or anywhere. So we do Tokens of Life Uganda, and we've been doing charity. By next year, we are going to be 10 years into, donating, giving out stuff to schools, volunteers coming, everything. Although I've not been like available, but now I'm fully back. So guys, make sure you search Tokens of Life Uganda, and we have a charity coming up this month. We are going to go to this island and run. Okay, we are going to go to this island and run. So we need some runners. I've shared it on my status on TikTok, so you can always look out for that. Okay. So, Andrew, what do you say about the charity marathon? We can also talk about discipline that's needed in forex trading. First, tell me about the marathon, Andrew. Andrew, tell me about that marathon I've told you about. Okay. We talked about your puppies, now the marathon, and we are going to talk about discipline needed. That is right. So, the thing about discipline, bro, actually, I was talking to a trader who I think is better than me. Sometimes you accept. I have a friend, a neighbor who is a trader who is a bit better, who is better actually. He's good. He's a good trader, and I was able to learn a bunch of things from them. Because you might think I'm the best, but I'm not. There are some people that trade better than I do. But the thing about discipline, it is everybody needs to be disciplined while trading. That is for sure. Because if you're not disciplined, you're going to be frustrated. Julio Walker, how are you today, man? Good evening. How are you doing? I hope you're good. Right? Elaborate more on order block. Me, I don't trade order blocks, man. Julio is sick. Oh, sorry, my friend. I hope you get better, man. It is Andrew who can tell you about order blocks because he does that type of trading. Charity marathons are good. Besides raising money for the purpose, marathons also help our bodies and mind. So I should get a bunch of traders that should be coming to Buvuma for that marathon actually. Yeah, I should get a bunch of you to come to Buvuma so that you're healthy because we are going to run. There is 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and 40. And there are going to be gifts for people who win. What do I trade? I trade gold, my friend. I do trade gold. But the person who wants to learn order blocks better, I'm not your guy, bro. It is maybe Andrew. Andrew is the one who does order blocks and fair value gaps. Oh, good. For me, what do I do? I do trend lines plus support and resistance, and I add some price action in there. We have two types of order blocks. We have the bullish and bearish order blocks. Continue. Continue, Andrew. We are listening. Andrew is typing too much, I think, right? But thank you guys. Bullish order blocks present buying opportunities, and of course, bearish order blocks present selling opportunities. But how do you spot a valid order block? So let me first see. Of course, this is bad, but since I don't trade order blocks, I can be able to. Oh, okay. So these are bearish order blocks here. Not bad. Where are the bullish order blocks? They are not showing me any of the bullish order blocks. Bro, they are showing only bearish. Show me bullish order blocks. Bullish order blocks present buying opportunities. Bearish order blocks are for selling. You only trade order blocks in important key levels like fair value gaps, liquidity zones. I see. Not just on random, but they are okay. Clear head and shoulders. on gold. Yeah, it is clear actually. I've also seen it after you mentioning it. This is the head. Then we have shoulders here. So after that, actually you guys are analyzing the chart really well, because we have seen a head and shoulder on the 15. Not every order block is valid. Bro, people are learning order blocks and I'm even yawning. But thank you guys for being here on this live stream. Are you on premium? Now, this one is not premium. My premium is on another device. This one is normal. My premium is on another device, okay? Price will break to my max demand. Did it talk to you, bro? Did the price talk to you that it will break to the demand? Okay, but you know, you could be right anyway. You could be very right. Oh, God. Man, God has not given an opportunity today, but maybe tomorrow. But if you don't get your setup, you wait, okay? If you get it, you take it. So, discipline in trading. What is discipline in trading actually? Uh, you first have to know what discipline is. And for me, in simple terms, to be disciplined is to do the right thing, to try your level best, to do what is right and stick by that. So, what is doing the right things on the charts? First of all, doing the right things involves sieving out the wrong things that you can do. The wrong things, you have to sieve them out. For example, revenge trading, huh? Forcing setups. All these things you have to avoid, guys, when you're trading. So, in order for you to stay disciplined, forcing setups, coming on TikTok and asking, can I enter? Yeah. Discipline is respecting your trading rules. That is very true. It is the same thing. Knowing what is right from wrong, that is 100%. But you know, you find most people they don't even have rules. They don't have trading rules, which makes it very hard and difficult. Makes it actually hard to help people. Like you don't have rules. Everybody must have a set of rules they follow on the charts, and these are going to be your guidelines. And if you're disciplined enough, you will stick by them. I am an advocate for, you know, sticking to your rules. Okay, fear is also something else. I have a problem with fear. Fear of losing. There is one. Fear of losing, fear of missing out, fear of taking a trade. So, and also the Bible frowns on fear. Fear is very bad. It is bad because you won't progress if you keep fearing, right? Progress won't be made. And that is pretty difficult, guys. So, when we talk about this topic of discipline, make sure you take it seriously. For example, set up some rules, even if it is one or two rules, right? You guys that do order blocks, set up a rule. If I don't see a valid order block, I don't enter. It is a rule. It is normal, but it is a rule. You have to be serious about trading. But let us not go astray because the topic is discipline in trading. This week, talk to yourself and be like, I'm going to only take my setups that have had confirmation. If the week ends without any trade, that is okay. You come back another week. It's not the end of the world. Okay, guys, it's not the end of the world. You're not afraid of losing, and you think that is your problem. At least I need to fear a little fear. Yeah, you need to fear a little because now if you keep blowing accounts, right? You need to be afraid. Okay, not too much. Don't be afraid of losing. Oh, what? But you need to be very, very determined. Like, if your setup presents itself, you take it. But calculate your losses. If you're to lose on this trade, how much are you willing to lose? You put that aside. When you're taking a trade, it has to be like a board meeting for people to make decisions. Okay? It has to be like a board meeting full of people where people are making decisions. Not just, okay, it is red, 2-2. That's not how you should trade. Okay, now I think it has reached here, 2-2. Come on, guys. You have to improve. Let us not just come here and waste saliva talking. Unless you have to improve, man. If you came to this live stream, you have to be like, at least I watched this guy. Let me do better tomorrow. But the problem, we come here, we talk these things, you go back to do the same thing, you come back to the live stream, oh, I've lost money. Guys, you have to be better. You have to be better in trading. You have to take it seriously. What time frame is this? I'm on the 15 minutes on gold. That is where I'm at right now. When you're not disciplined, you realize even your psychology will be affected. One thing affects the other. That's 100% true. One thing does affect the other. So guys, at least try to be better. I know you might not see me again, but if you're here, all of you guys that are here, if you're trying to trade, do it the right way and trade better and take your setups. Do not just gamble on the charts. Do not gamble on the markets. Okay, now I've failed too much on gold. Let me go to US 30. Let me go to S&P 500. I enter. Okay, now, then, okay, I've failed too much here. Let me go to GBP USD. Come on, guys, take it seriously. Be serious with your trading. I won't get tired of telling you guys. My problem is catching a winning trade earlier before TP and letting a losing trade to hit stop loss. That is psychology. Most traders, they do that, right? When you see the blue, you're like, oh my God, if it goes back, let me get out. Man, I don't know even how people can improve because, man, we advise and even get tired of advising people. Anyway, now okay, that is done. Let us talk nicely. How are you, Swan Sek? I hope you're doing good. I hope your Monday is great. My Monday is okay. I think my Monday is really good. But we have Andrew in the chat. Andrew is good. Andrew is selling his neighbor's puppies for 65K. I think sometimes it is better to just analyze, then let the trade play out. Take profit or stop. Oh, look at that candle, bro. That's a big candle. That is such a huge candle. Trend lines are tough to get an entry. That is true. Trend lines are tough. Trend lines are tough, but if you get them right, bro, they are good. Because me, that they are the things I've done. They are what I use to get my profits out. Do you trade full time? Yes, sir. I trade full time, but I have a lot of things that I do. Man, because I trade full time, yes, but I have students that I'm attending to. I have other engagements I do. Thanks to those that are liking the stream, actually. I appreciate you very, very much. I appreciate you for being here and enjoying. Andrew, what is forcing that candle? Bro, it is a very big candle. Who? It is such a big candle, bro. That is why you have to wait for confirmations before you do anything. Do you recommend trading prop farms one step? No, I recommend trading prop farms two step. One step is okay if you know what you're doing. What do I teach? Crypto or forex? I teach trading. Trading is what I teach because I have students who are trading crypto and those who are trading CFDs, okay? And those who are trading futures. Yeah, so I have all types of students. I had someone mentioning earlier that Trump is speaking. Maybe that's the result of the speech. He said he's speaking at 11:30. Right now it is just 10. It is just 10. So I thought he was going to speak like 11. But wow. Actually, let me see. Forex Factory. There could be something, maybe. Trump will not be doing the scheduled attack on Iran. 2 minutes ago, we will not be doing the scheduled attack on Iran tomorrow. Ah, maybe that is what has happened. You see? Remember what? Gulbis speaks. Okay. Oh my God, that pushed the trade, the candle actually. Some people have been taken out, I think, but for us, we are just spectators. Which prop firms are trusted, please? FTMO is trusted. Funded Next, Funding Pips. All those are very trusted prop firms. What about demand and supply, Mr. Katumba? I have tried to backtest, but no results over the cap. Oh, so demand and supply is not working. So, yes, let me tell you. When you say you're going to do what? To trade demand and supply. There are some other things you have to add into that when you're trading your demand and supply. It is not just demand and supply. You also have to use a price action, like you say, okay, I'm going to also include the price action in this. You also add, candlestick patterns as confirmation. All you have to use something as confirmation, not just demand zone and supply. Oh, no, no. It's a bunch, a collection of, ideas, not just one. So you try that, David, and see. Maybe that will work better. Maybe that will be better for you. Guys, I put my number there. Those that want some special mentorship or teaching, that is why my number is right there on the screen, okay? That is why I show my WhatsApp right there. But if you're good, and if you're good at trading, you say, okay, Joe, I'm a successful trader. I just want to say hi. Also, you can WhatsApp me there. I'm very good and I always say hi to people. Andrew can bear me witness. Me and Andrew, yeah, are buddies. We actually talk. I'm like, I even see his status. So you guys should reach out to me. That is an offer, you know. I'm not bragging, but I've been able to receive some small success from trading. So even just having me as a contact in your phone, that will be good for you and for me too. Man. So I go with funding pips. Yeah, go with funding pips. Funding pips is good. Yes, you are a very polite and humble gentleman. Thank you, Andrew. Actually, I try to be, no, on a serious note, I try to be good because there is no point in being bad, right? I just try to be nice, you know, and, talk. Like I said, Andrew, today, I thought about you. I said, send Andrew a message. Maybe he's looking at S&P 500. Send him but I forgot, sorry. And then I got engaged, like some visitors came, but definitely I'll respond to those of you that are sending messages. I appreciate you. What about Funded Next? Funded Next is also good. They gave me my first ever payout, and the video is out there on YouTube when I was withdrawing. Andrew is always interacting and learning a lot from you. I actually also learn a lot from you guys. The truth is, in my journey, I'm also learning from you. It's not only you guys learning from me, but you're very knowledgeable people. You're very knowledgeable gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, and I appreciate those that reach out. Special ones that, of course, reach out to say thank you and everything. Then those that reach out to be like, we want you to mentor us, please help us. Like my friend actually here is, where is Florence? Is it Flo? Yeah, I think it is Florence. She's going to join my class and I'm going to be meeting them daily just from TikTok, which is very, very nice. Actually, it is not Florence, it is Amy. How could I forget Amy? But today Amy has not come online. Maybe she's working. She's working night shift. But thank you guys for reaching out. Also, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, watch my status. We have a marathon coming up. Have you tried God Funded Trader? Bro, I did God Funded Trader and all the videos are on my YouTube channel. When I was passing those trades, when I was struggling in drawdown, I have all of them on my channel. So you go look for my YouTube. I trade God Funded on there. Until I was able to get a payout from that account. It was a struggle, but I did it. I was able to do it. Okay, guys, are those the questions? And very soon the World Cup will also start actually. The other month, I think next month. Do they pay? For me, they paid me out. I might not know other people, but for me, they did pay me out. Yes, sir. So, what's up, traders? Are all of you traders, or some of you are just enjoying the vibes of the live stream? I hope all of you are traders, but I encourage you people to trade prop farms. If you can, get into prop farm trading. Most of you say, uh, prop farms have very many rules like this, but you should be trading prop farms. Me and Andrew can bear witness. You should be trading prop farms. Football is a good therapy of trading. Let the World Cup start. I'll actually be doing live streams on World Cup matches, watch alongs. Okay. Struggling traders. Yeah, all of us were struggling traders at some point actually. Everybody struggles at some point, but after some time you become better. Imagine losing a trade, but then you go and watch your team win a game. Wow, you become happy. That is the truth, man. Like if, for example, for us, Man U, we won a trophy this season. Our Bruno Fernandes won a trophy for us. We are the happiest. Ah, Alvina John, do block it. We don't do block it anymore, bro. We left block it for you guys. You guys used to hack it so much. But yeah, but seriously, I used to do block it live streams with a bunch of young people. So that is what the live stream I used to do. But now I'm more of trading and discussing trading. Actually, these live streams are like, it is me and Andrew here most of the time talking about trading. Now Miss M is also here. Shout out to you guys. Prop firms are good. They let you trade with larger capital, and also they make you disciplined enough. Because a prop firm trader can easily grow an account, right? That is the truth. The knowledge you have with this prop firm, you can easily grow an account without blowing it. That's the reality of it. And that's the truth. That is the reality and that is the truth, my people. Daniel Harrison, buy gold. You should buy yourself. Yeah. Everyone is a trade. People know when to buy, when to sell, so no need to be a hero. Ah. One time I want to be here when NFP happens. I want to be here when NFP happens so that we buy and it shoots to the sky. Thank you for everybody that is liking, and I appreciate you very, very much. We are almost done, guys. Don't worry. This live stream won't go on forever, okay? We are almost done for today and we shall come back tomorrow. But Wednesday, we shall not be available. Man, it is always nice. Andrew, it is always nice to come here and, chat on a live stream, and the moment you'll be unavailable, I'll look for you. Cheapest but best prop farm, funding pips, I think. It could be funding pips, probably. The place is very interesting. That is nice, bro. I'm glad I was able to discover you guys and you also discovering me. Was there news what caused the huge buy on gold? I think Trump spoke, I think. Trump finished speaking. He said they are not going to do what? To attack Iran tomorrow. Me, that is what I think it caused that spike. It is your chilling place in the evening after a stressful trading day. Bro, I also enjoy actually. I enjoy these live streams a lot. I enjoy the live streams so much actually. Yeah, like I come here after a stressful day of trading and waiting for setups which don't appear. I come here and release the stress. It is much better. More people should do this with us. It is home. Ah. Andrew, you've heard how you're making me say because I've had people react like that, right? People will be saying but definitely this feels like home. That is why even when we miss live trading, like if we miss the live stream, I'm like, oh my God, how am I how are my friends doing? I hope they are good. But thank you very much, guys, for always being here and enjoying the live streams with us. We appreciate you very, very much. When and how do I know when Trump is speaking or any channel? So if you want to know events that are happening, news events, go to Forex Factory. This one. This website shows you. You'll be reading through. Like you see, Trump, we will not be doing the scheduled attack on Iran tomorrow. Shoop, gold goes up. US proposed temporary waiver on Iran oil sanctions. Gold goes up. And people here are discussing also. 11 minutes ago, gold with no drama, So, Forex Factory is where you can go. Bro, why the gold market is pumped when Trump says he will attack Iran? Just I want to know. What do you mean by that question, my friend? I don't know what that question means. Sharing trading experiences really helps all of us always. 100%. I agree. I agree with you on that, Andrew. Like, experience is everything. And when someone shares, it can help someone. For example, we talked about, what was it? We were talking about got funded. And what were we discussing actually? Was it the 3% profit target on the first thing? I think. And someone, it helped someone. But well, guys, even the best dancer finally leaves the stage. Even the best dancer finally leaves the stage. So thank you very much, guys, for being on today's live stream. Even our market discussions here in the stream moves the gold market. Andrew, now you're overshooting our importance. We are not that important to move the gold markets, bro. I wish I was like Powell, man. I would come and be like, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and gold would pump up. I would make money, bro. But I appreciate you guys. Imi is in the building. Imi, where have you been? For you, you're just coming now. Where have you been? Andrew was looking for you actually. Thank you very much for today's stream, Andrew. We appreciate you. But on today's stream, we've learned a few things that when we are drinking water on the stream, we do like this. But thank you very much, guys, for being here. We appreciate you. NASDAQ. Did NAS also have the spike? Oh, ooh, it also had actually. Look, it came here and it spiked up. So it happened. This is the 15-minute on NAS. On S&P 500, actually. Let me see. Dow Johnson. Your coming took us to 2K. We appreciate you for coming for sure. Some people were saying you are doing a night shift at work. I told them, but IMI doesn't work at night. Ah, S&P 500, bro. Oh, you're sick. Oh, sorry. Amy is very powerful, actually. She's a very important lady. Some of you are undermining her, but she's very important, actually. Like Andrew is saying. You've learned, Miss M has learned drinking water. You have to face the other side. What? You guys are. You people are the best. You people are the best when we come to this live stream. I think it is the best, man. So thank you very much, guys, for being here. We appreciate you. Now we are going to go and sleep and prepare for tomorrow. Honestly, today's markets didn't move that much, pips. So much consolidation and spikes. Yes, that's true. That is right, man. I also wanted to trade today, but man, I was like, nah, this is not good at all. Because if you look at gold, actually, most of it has been consolidation. Let us go to gold and see. This is gold. Look at this. Okay. It is not too much, but look from here. This looks like most of it consolidation to me. Just moved out a little bit, but most of it has been consolidation, man. Mondays are tricky, that is right. But some Mondays always give moves, because there was a Monday where gold moved. I was like, what is this, bro? There is a Monday gold moved so much. It was this one, I think. But this one, today's Monday was terrible. Gold will move when we sleep. That is the problem. You see, there was a time when people used to like wake up in the night, buy gold and go back to sleep. You wake up with thousands of dollars. Again, you do the same thing tomorrow. You wake up when market is opening, you buy gold and sleep. Bro, people made money that period. But now things are tough, bro. You wake up, you take a trade and you lose. Man. Me, that's why I don't wake up anymore, bro. What happened to the bot I was working on? It is still there. The bot is there. It is losing. It is on a demo, but it is losing. So the thing about my bot, right, that I did, you have to time it when gold is going to buy. Gold, or it does, I tuned it for gold and BTC. So if gold is in ranging, bro, it loses and you'll even cry. But if gold is buying and the market is bullish, it will be like it is the best trader on this planet. So it is still on a demo, bro. Testing phase. I don't have any money to put in it now. No. Why are you not getting notifications when we are live? Bro, you didn't put on notifications. You should put on notifications because these live streams are the best. These live streams are the best of the best. You guys make them the best. Not me. Me, I'm just here yapping nonsense. But you guys, these days when you wake up and take a trade, you'll be on pressure until it hits TP. Always, some you don't even sleep doesn't come anymore. Ah, bro, I used to suffer. Like you wake up like at 3, eh? You take a trade, you cannot sleep. Every time you're checking, okay, what is it? Ah, man, that lifestyle, I'm like, I'm tired. But right now, the market is still in bro, man, consolidation is tough. I don't know if we shall make it profits even. Because even me, I'm not seeing trades nowadays. I'm waiting for a good setup. Okay, yesterday was good actually. Yesterday's setup was good, but today mostly consolidation actually. Maybe tomorrow we shall get. Why you come back to Africa, Joseph? I came back because it is my home, bro. You don't want me to come back home. Bro, I'm African. Why would you ask me why I'm coming back to Africa? Ah, man. Ah, man, Brian, you don't want me to go back home. Ah, you guy. East or West? East or West home is the best, my people. I know. Now Andrew is there. He says, man, I see these guys in Dubai, these traders. I want to be in Dubai. Relax, man. You want to be back home very soon. I like it. I like Africa. Even if it is not very safe, eh? Like sometimes it is not safe. That is why it is better to stay at your home and most people don't come back, they run away from the continent. Bro, I think Africa is the best, man. It is really, really good, Africa. Dubai is actually good. Don't get me wrong. If you have not yet seen like those buildings, nice roads, you know, very safe. If you have not seen that kind of stuff, you should go to Dubai, go to UAE. It is very good. And I enjoyed my time there. UAE was so good. But then you miss home sometimes. Like now for me, I'm here. I want to see my people, my siblings. I see my brother. I see my sisters. I'm like, oh, this is nice. Even my friends, actually. For example, a friend who has visited me right now. I'm like, oh man, it is very good to see a friend. Yeah, but most people don't come back. They run away from the continent. They have reasons because, out there, for example, UAE. UAE is a very safe country, bro. It is very safe. Do you know what a safe place is? That is UAE. Like, I don't even speak it lightly. I'm not even marketing them, but they are a very safe country. You have your iPhone, you lose it, you get it back. You have your like millions, you lose money, you get it back immediately. Their police is very active. Also, Abu Dhabi. I want to run away from Lesotho. I think they bewitched me to not be profitable. No, don't say like that. You're just in a phase that is struggling, maybe. Just join my mentorship. We shall work on your profitability, okay? Miss M, just join my mentorship and you'll become profitable. Don't run away from Lesotho. Some of us want to go to Lesotho, you want to run away. I get you, bro. Even me, I can't live in another country, bro. I visit and come back. South Africa is home. That is true, bro. Home is the best. That is the truth, right? But even those countries are actually very good. For example, the UAE. I speak about the UAE because it is what I know, where I've been, for like 5 years. I was in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the best city, bro. Not Dubai. Go Abu Dhabi. Go Abu Dhabi. You'll like it there. This trading and doing farming is my dream in the future. The same, exactly. No excuses. Learn FX. Like if you can trade, you get a payout, and then you farm. Some people do farming, but it is like the business, it has to make profits. But remember, if you're trading, you're doing it as a luxury, right? You're farming, you're like, oh, look at these chickens. Like your source of capital is trading. It is very nice. And then when the farm grows, you can always get things out of it. Amy, have a good night, my friend. Thank you very much for coming to the live stream today. We appreciate you. We are also almost going off, guys. We thank you for being here. Those that are liking the stream, you are the best of the best. If you haven't yet followed the creator, which is this guy, please follow this guy because he's a nice guy, you people. Ask Imi. I'm one of the nicest people on the planet. Ask Imi and Andrew. But shout out to everybody who has been on the stream. We appreciate you for coming. We are also going to go off. But guys, do not forget this marathon. This is a marathon that is going to be in Buvuma. My charity, which is called Tokens of Life Uganda. We are organizing a marathon and we are going to run. So also stay fit, okay? So that you don't only trade. Because traders, you find a trader, at one point you become successful, you start making the money and your health is bad. Now what is that? You're obese. What is that? You're not going to enjoy your money. You need to stay fit, run the marathon that and also give back. Actually, giving back is also important. This charity is now for maternal health, mothers who are giving birth, right? So that is the goal for this one. I used to run 21 laps way back in primary and high school. Marathons are good. They are good. And the Omuge, you should even be in Olympics. I'm not being racist, but Omuge, you should be running Olympics with Chiprotich. let me leave before let me leave before Omuge becomes mad at me. Mad. But seriously, guys, I hope you trade better. And I hope I hope everything goes well. I always enjoy these live streams. When we come here, it is not only talking and yapping, it is also discussing ideas. Andrew also gives us very good ideas in the comment section. And I'm sure a bunch of people, you know, read those things. They go ahead and read whatever you write. So thank you, Andrew, very much for being here on this live stream and trading with us. You thought about joining Olympics, but even joining Olympic squad in Uganda, you need connections. Bro, man, Uganda, I think trading is the only thing you don't need connections, bro. That is why you have to make it in trading. Everybody has to make it. Is the only thing where you don't need connections and you can be successful. Tell me what else is there? Nothing. It is only trading. So you have to get it right. You have to get it right, and when you get it right, you'll be unstoppable. Like, for example, if you go to my Telegram group, I have a Telegram. Let me see. Telegram. Will it show here? I think it will not show. But I have a Telegram group. Some doctor guy is earning very good money. Is earning good. Is meal trade, is mile trade. What is, I've never heard of that actually. Oh wait, there is football. I hear people shouting outside. Probably there is a game of football. But definitely, guys, thank you very much. Let me let you go and rest, because I see Andrew wants to rest. Imi wanted to rest, but I was keeping them on the live stream. So thank you so much, guys. That's why I'm solely focused on trading. The only business that will change our lives. Man, Andrew, one time when I meet you, and you have a Rolls Royce. Andrew, when I meet you in your new Rolls Royce, I'll be very proud of you. Okay? They won't sanction you. You show them broker statements. For you, they'll leave you. They'll know that you're the best trader in Uganda. Because, man, traders here have money. Traders have money, so they will not sanction you, bro. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you for coming to the live stream. And yeah, we shall meet tomorrow, because we shall have one today. We shall have another live stream tomorrow. Wait. Or tomorrow, shall we have a live stream? Probably, even if it is short. And then Wednesday, we shall not have another one. Okay? But thank you very much for being here. Have a good night. Andrew, and all of you that are watching, have a good night, my friends. We appreciate you. Man, people watch and not comment. Even if I tell you good night, you won't say good night. Come on, guys, at least say good night. Don't just be in Kamoli. It shouldn't be only Andrew saying good night. Oh, Mrs. M is here from Lesotho. Miss M is here all the way from Lesotho. So have a good night. Good night, Can Ann. Have a good night, my friend. We appreciate you for being here. Good night, guys. Thank you so much. We see gold, probably. Now it has made the W here, We don't know what's going to happen next, but we shall come back later, tomorrow, and see. Me, I'm going to be on that chart. I look at it on my thing, but I might not get a setup, okay? But have a good night, guys. Thank you very much for being here. We appreciate you a billion times. Good night, Currents Body. Have a good night, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good night. Good night, Adam. Adam Daniel William. Have a good night, my friend. We appreciate you.